Hello everyone, welcome back to Tricky Math. Today in this session let us discuss about complementary and supplementary angles. We have these angles here, angle ABC, angle PQR. Angle ABC is equal to 55 degrees. Angle PQR 35 degrees. Here we have angle ABC 55, angle PQR 35 degrees. Now let us add these two angles, angle ABC and angle PQR. Angle ABC plus angle PQR is equal to 55 degrees plus 35 degrees. 55 plus 35 is, how much it is? It is 90 degrees. 55 plus 35 is equal to 90 degrees. So, these angles ABC and PQ are 55 and 35. These angles add up to 90 degrees. There is a special name for such angles which add up to 90 degrees. They are called complementary angles. So, any two angles whose sum is 90 degrees are called complementary angles. Here we have taken two angles 55 degrees and 35 degrees. When you add these two angles, if you get 90, such angles are called complementary angles. When we have two complementary angles, each angle is called complement to each other. Here 55 degrees, 55 is complement of 35, 35 is complement of 55. 55 is complement of 35. 35 is complement of 55 degrees. Now supplementary angles. Here we have angle ABC. Angle ABC 130 degrees. Angle PQR 50 degrees. We have angle ABC 130, angle PQR 50 degrees. Now let us add these two angles, angle ABC and angle PQR. 130 plus 50 degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees. So these angles add up to 180 degrees. There is a special name for such angles which add up to 180 degrees. They are called supplementary angles. When we have two supplementary angles, each angle is called supplement of each other. Here 130 is supplement of 50. 130 degrees is supplementary of 50. 50 is supplement of 130. Now let us solve these two problems on this concept. Complement means sum of two angles which is equal to 90 degrees. Those angles are called complementary angles. Supplementary, sum of two angles is equal to 180. Such angles are called supplementary angles. Yes, here find the complement of angle of 36 degrees. Complement of 36. First, we have to know what is complement. Complementary angles means sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees. Such angles are called complementary angles. Here, one angle is given. We have to find the complement of this angle. For that, first write the let us assume complement of angle of 36 be x. One is x and another one is 36. Here complement of 36 is x, complement of x is 36. when we have two angles whose sum is 90 degrees, such angles are called complementary angles. We know that. Now x plus 36 degrees. One angle, another angle. Sum of these two angles, if sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, such are called complementary angles. X plus 36 is equal to 90. In this, we have to find the x, complement of 36. This is complement of 36. To find x, here in between these two plus is there. If you transfer this value to right side, it will be minus 90 minus 36 degrees. Now 90 minus 36. How much it is? No, 54 degrees. So x is equal to 54. Next, find the supplement of angle of 62. Let us assume supplement of angle of 62 be x degrees. When we have two angles whose sum is 180 degrees, such angles are called supplementary angles. We know that. Here given angles 62, complement of 62 is x. So sum of these two angles is equal to, what is given here? 62 angle is given. We have to find the supplement of 62, that is x. X plus 62 is equal to 180 degrees. We have to find the value of x. To find the value of x, transfer 60 to right side. If you transfer, here plus is there na? If you transfer, it will be minus 180 minus 62. 180 minus 62 is equal to, which is equal to 118 degrees. X is equal to 180 degrees. This is the supplement of 62. Supplement of angle 62 is 118 degrees. I hope you understand this class. If you like my video, please share and subscribe.